Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Roblox avatar. First, if you're playing on a computer, simply press the escape key to open the in-game menu. Then, look for the Reset Character button and click it. Alternatively, for a quicker method, you can often just press the R key on your keyboard, followed by Enter to confirm. This will instantly respawn your character, helping you get unstuck or resolve minor glitches in about 2 seconds. You might want to reset your avatar if you find yourself stuck in the game environment, perhaps glitched into a wall, or if your character becomes invisible. When you reset, your avatar will simply respawn at the game's designated starting point or your last saved checkpoint. Don't worry, resetting your character does not affect your inventory, game progress, or any Robux you've spent. Everything remains exactly as it was before. Beyond a simple reset, you can also completely customize your avatar's appearance. From the Roblox homepage, navigate to the Avatar section. Here, you can change everything from your head and torso to your legs, clothing, and accessories. Experiment with different looks and save your favorite combinations as outfits. This allows you to switch between distinct styles in just a few clicks, giving you endless possibilities for personal expression. If a quick reset doesn't solve your problem, don't panic. A good next step is to simply leave the game and then rejoin it. This often resolves more persistent issues. Also, always ensure you have a stable internet connection, as connectivity problems can cause many in-game glitches. Finally, keep your Roblox application updated to its latest version to benefit from bug fixes and performance improvements, ensuring a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.